Hello, my friends. Today we're going to be speaking about the front brakes, and this is an issue that affects these specific models. The issue is the floating front brake pucks, as seen here, also called bobbins. These I'll be speaking of these in the video that follows. These wear out, and this is what this video is about. This is often a deal breaker for when someone goes to buy one of these bikes, because if you had to replace these discs from BMW, it's over $1,000 in parts just for the front brakes. This problem fortunately does not affect the rear brake of these models, just the front. And this problem was also rectified with the later head models. Though those can wear out, they do not wear out as frequently. On with the video. These brakes work well. However, being a floating disc, I feel BMW didn't quite choose the proper floating pucks. With aggressive riding at about 50,000 miles, you'll get wear. These pucks wear out. It flows. This disc has 100,000 on it. If you can lift it up and down, you ought to replace it. Now, you're going to ask, oh, can I just replace the little pucks? Yes, you can. You can. But, he always says but. Yeah, but it's a huge pain in the ass. There's a clip on the back of each of these. You have to put the new puck in with a new clip and try to get the new clip clipped. They don't always fit so well, and when you're done, you're going to find you have about that much play instead of that much play. I don't recommend replacing the pucks because this wears and the carrier wears. So like chain and sprockets, you wouldn't just change your front sprocket when it wore out. Your chain would be junk too, and the rear sprocket. So you change the whole thing. Go aftermarket. There's better out there. Beamer Boneyard can help you with that as well. You can ride this way. You can ride this way. I have an incredible amount of miles on the some of my BMWs with discs floating around like this. I was told for a long time this was normal. They didn't want to warranty it. They never did warranty it. Noise, a hell of a lot of noise. Rattle, rattle, rattle. If you roll the bike backwards, sometimes you'll hear a pop. That's the inside of the puck collapsing. When you take these apart, you'll find most of them are broken. Maybe we'll take this apart. If I get a new set of discs for this bike, I'm in a bit of a disadvantage here because that one needs discs too. Right one, not so bad. Let's demonstrate that, shall we? See here, I can lift up and down. See over here, not so much. This one's good. It's almost it's worn. I can move it a little bit. You know, it's supposed to float a little bit. But this one's pretty good. You know, that's serviceable. The other one, that's at the end of my happy limit. See? It's a floater. It's a floater.